This is the KF101 GPS 4K camera drone. Comes with a storage space. In this you have your instruction manual, spare propellers, remote control, which is rechargeable, built-in battery, so no need for double A's. And this is the drone. First we extend fully all the arms of the propeller. And give the batteries for both the drone and the controller do not come fully charged from the factory, so do charge the batteries fully. Refer to the instruction manual before using. And so as this is a Wi-Fi camera drone, you need to go to your app store to install this app called VS GPS Pro. You need to get this app in, so which is here. Okay, so to proceed, we need to remove the camera gimbal cover. You need to double click on the power button, and you need to put the drone on a flat level surface when you start, and let the drone play its music. Power on the controller. It will do an auto connection between the two, and it will take about 35 seconds. When the drone has successfully bound to the controller, you will see the power level of the drone indicator on the controller. While waiting for the drone to be bound to the controller within this 35 seconds, you will see the front lights of the drone will be flashing white like this, and the rear will be flashing pink. Now we just need to wait for one beep from the drone. Now that binding is completed, you should see a change in the rear lights to flashing blue and red lights like this. And you can also see on the controller, the drone power level is also displayed on the controller. So next we need to perform a drone compass calibration. So again, the drone has to be on a level surface. We need to click on this compass calibration button until you hear one beep. Rotate the drone clockwise about 3 rounds or until you hear a beep. Okay, so the x-axis is done. Now with the camera facing up, do a y-axis calibration. Likewise, you'll hear another beep when it's complete. Okay, so now compass calibration is completed. We need to, before taking off the drone, it's recommended you do a gyro calibration. To do so, you pull both control sticks down and to the right hand bottom corner, so like a 5 o'clock position, until you hear a beep sound. Okay, so that is done. The lights will be flashing rapidly like this on the drone, and when it flashes back to normal speed like this, that means your calibration is done. Alright. If you are flying this outdoors, you may proceed to the next step to arm your drone with minimum 7 satellites. But for all indoor flights, you need to press onto the GPS button to switch off your GPS in order to arm in an indoor setting. You will be able to see that the GPS display is off on the controller like this. The next thing we're going to try is to arm the drone. As this is only for demonstration purposes, I'm going to hold on to the drone, pull both the control stick down and in an outwards position like this. Like this. And then you can start flying, and when you're ready to land, you can disarm the drone by pulling down the left control stick all the way down and lock the drone again. Now we're going to show you how to connect the phone to your drone camera. The first thing you need to do is to install this app called VS GPS Pro from your smartphone. After the app is installed, before opening the app, you need to go to your Wi-Fi settings and find the Wi-Fi network. The network name starts with ZJ. Click on that and connect to the network first. When that is done, proceed to open the app that you have just installed, and you'll be able to see images on your phone app. The batteries do not come fully charged from the factory. To remove the drone battery, squeeze both sides of the button on the battery. Find the USB port, which is a Type-C connector at the side here. Take the USB cable that comes with in the drone case, connect to the side, and plug it into a USB port that is 5 volts between 1 to 2 amp. Do not use a fast charger for this. While charging, you will see the light indicator flashing. When the battery is fully charged in about 6 hours, all 4 blue lights will be on. As for the built-in battery inside the controller, we use the same charger to power up the controller. While charging, you will see a red light at the bottom corner indicating that the transmitter is being charged. When the red light goes off, in about 90 minutes, charging is complete.